Throughout the course of human history, people have attempted to manipulate the weather through various religious rituals. For instance, the Egyptians worshipped different gods to protect their crops and appease the deities believed to control the weather. Interestingly, Moses led the children of Israelites out of Egypt after overcoming the plagues sent by God to mock the Egyptians' belief. Even the weather gods they worshipped were unable to deliver them from these plagues. Now, what if I tell you humans can control the weather through technology? Hi, this is Sarah here. Today, we are going to take a walk down history to make sense of how we got here and most importantly, how weather manipulation can be a deadly weapon. I am going to tell you everything you need to know about weather manipulation, including who has been conducting them, what do they say, how is it being conducted, what are the potential impacts, and where are we heading now. In 1993, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency (DARPA), the US military, and the University of Alaska created the High Frequency Active Aurora Research Program, otherwise known as HARP. In 2015, the facility was transferred to University of Alaska Fairbanks. HARP is an acronym for High Frequency Active Aurora Research Program. Its objective is to study the uppermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere, also known as ionosphere. HARP sends high-frequency radio waves to the ionosphere. These radio waves hit electrons at an altitude of about 60 km. These electromagnetic waves then bounce back onto the Earth and penetrate everything, including humans. It was widely believed that HARP was inspired from Tesla's experiment on standing wave. Bernard J. Eastlund famously cited in one of his patents, method and apparatus for altering a region in Earth's atmosphere, ionosphere and/or magnetosphere was sealed by the US government under a secrecy order. In the description, the work is based on original research by Nikola Tesla during the early 1900s. Now, let us unfold HARP's conspiracy theory. HARP has been the subject of various conspiracy theories, suggesting that it is involved in secret government experiments, mind control, or weather modification. However, these claims have been widely debunked by scientific evidence and experts in the field. The HARP facility consists of a series of high-power radio frequency transmitters and antennas that can generate radio waves in the frequency range of 2.8 to 10 MHz. These radio waves are then directed towards the ionosphere, causing disturbances and heating of the ionospheric gases. By studying the ionospheric disturbances caused by the radio waves, researchers can learn more about the structure and behavior of the ionosphere and gain insights into how the ionosphere affects the communication and navigation systems. HARP's transmitter can also be steered electronically, allowing researchers to direct the radio wave to specific areas of the ionosphere. HARP scientists have claimed that radio waves that are sent into the ionosphere by using the antenna cannot possibly manipulate the weather. For instance, the Northern Light is a very powerful electromagnetic storm, but it can't affect the weather. Additionally, the radio waves HARP uses do not affect the two levels of atmosphere where weather occurs, namely the troposphere and the stratosphere. Number 1, the waves have no effect on those levels. Number 2, the waves can't interact with clouds, so there's no way to create precipitation in cloud seeding. So, in conclusion, where are we heading? To wrap this up, I want to conclude with 3 main points to where we are heading now. So, number 1, while the world has been focused on the green energy revolution in an attempt to save our planet from global warming through strict control of carbon emissions, weather warfare is a topic that is seldom discussed by the mainstream media. Those who blame weather warfare are often dubbed as conspiracy theories. For example, some have blamed HARP for causing the 7 magnitude Haitian earthquake of 2010, which...
Point number 2. Now we know that the world's weather can be modified as part of a new generation of complex weapons. In addition to weather manipulation, these weapons can also be used for military surveillance and mind control. Point number 3. What about other big nations like Russia and China? Have they developed capabilities of manipulating weather over the years? We will talk more about how Russians started off the weather manipulation program and how the discovery of Russian program further accelerated the Americans' interest and led to their own research into the use of electromagnetic energy for weather control. We will uncover more secret weather manipulation programs in our next video. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button below. So, what do you think about HARP and weather manipulation? I would love to know more about your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.